वो हाँ छोड़ दो उठ सके
With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a miracle. Oh, you open up a world behind a star. With you and
Hi guys, my name is Santosh Thomas. I've been riding bikes and doing autocross and motocross for the last 15 years. So we are basically building this track for an off-roading event on February 15th and 16th. Request all of you all to come and participate. We are training people to off-road as well as ride the bikes off-road and do a little bit of autocross racing. So I'll just quickly give you all a quick insight into what we do. This is called a sleeve blast. We are doing a sleeve blast currently, and that's a jump. So we come in second gear into another jump, another one. We are coming. This is another one. And be careful. God bless. Bye bye.
Champ is here.
Champ is here with the airball fleet, baby.
So संतोष भाई will give you all the details की details क्या क्या है, आप कैसे यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, how far it is और क्या पूरी formalities है वो आपको संतोष भाई बताएंगे. सनी भाई यहाँ पे संतोष भाई tell us something about this.
So this is an off-road training camp. It is going to be on 15th and 16th. We have a gentleman called Vishwas SD who is coming in from Bangalore. He's the previous INRC champion, raid the Himalaya, he's won it 3 times, Desert Storm, he's won it a couple of times. So he's an expert enduro rider, so he's going to be training here. The event starts on 15th. The registration fee is 3,500 rupees. The link will be below, Prakash will add it below. The registration fee covers the entire training, your dinner, there is camping here, and breakfast and lunch the next day. So the entire 2 days you all are going to be spending here. It's going to be a level 1, level 2 training on off-roading totally, right? So we expect to see you guys here. Thank you very much for watching.
तो हमारे डे का एंड हो गया है और चाय पानी पिया है हमने और हाउ वाज द डे गाइस? सुपर ऑसम. एंड नेक्स्ट संडे का क्या प्रोग्राम है बता दो. हम सब लोग आ रहे हैं नेक्स्ट संडे के वही जगह पे हम लोग अभी जो गए थे ना, आप सब लोग आ रहे हैं. एंड बाकी डिटेल क्या टाइम पे अगर कोई आना चाहे तो मैं डिटेल्स वगैरह डाल दूंगा वीडियो में. कैन समवन कम, दूसरे लोग भी आ सकते हैं क्या देखने के?
At least they can come and see the place. See the place.
हाँ डन गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी एंड प्लीज लाइक करो वीडियो को. इनका डिटेल्स आपको सब वीडियो में मिल जाएगा, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. ठीक है ना? थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.